There he goes. There he goes. That's hilarious. Got him all tore up.
Can you tell there's two?
No. That's cool. I'll have that on video. I'll clip it and edit it and send it to you.
Oh, I love it. I wish I could call them up, jump on them, take a picture, and turn them loose. Be a new kind of catch and release.
Re-spooled this reel. Yeah,
Right at the boat, you need the net.
might as well.
He's digging, ain't you?
I'm diving down.
Ooh. Just hold him. Just hold him.
Nice spot. He spit out a shad.
That's what we got to match.
Yep. Threadfin. They're spawning right now.
Boy, he choked it.
Yeah.
Can we get that?
I'll get him. Thank you though. A one-eyed dog. Yep. Nah.
Got him, though.
All right. Do you mind?
Swallowed it too. Let some line out on your rod there.
I'm trying. I just couldn't get to him.
Saturday night. Well, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light.
Good job.
Saturday night.
Well, that makes about 5 or 6.
That I voted for.
4?
Yeah.
Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
Got it. Nah.
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 Not bad.
Bro, would you calm down? Fighting like a spotted bass. I set the hook on him.
Let's see. Not too bad. There you go.
Little baby largemouth.
The old whack attack strikes again. Only bait I ain't fished today.
He did not know he was an acrobat. All I did was pull that thing out of a tree. Golly, son, what's wrong with you?
Spot on him.
I don't even want to touch that.
Got a ball on him.
All right, all right. Open up.
Yeah, turn him around. Better picture, go ahead. Oh, we all wondered if you would.
Yeah.
Don't reel him all the way up to the tip now. Oh man, look at that
This
big old
spot.
spot. Golly.
My bad. Heck yeah.
That's a big spot.
That's a
right
decent spot.
there. Big old spotted bass. He got those boogers on him too. Good spot. He's gonna be close to 2 pounds. About 1 3/4 I think.
I think he's every bit of 2 pounds. Let me see that scale. Top zipper right there.
I don't think he's gonna quite go 2. But he's a good one.
He's long.
He is long. He's real long.
He's not fat, but he's long.
Probably ought to measure him. Get a,
Oh, you were right. 1.6, almost 1 3/4.
yeah.
1.65.
Almost 1 3/4. Fought good.
Yeah.
I could tell when you stuck the hook in that one. I saw.
Yeah.
I could tell looking at the rod on that one.
Take your cheating hands off my red dress, 'cause I ain't wearing
16 and a half.
16 and a half.
Yeah.
no lies to say love is blind.
Will you get one of me with this?
Yeah.
Ooh. Give it the old.
Yeah, the extension mentioned. There you go. I just got about 4 pictures there. He looked like he bounced. Man, I used to love to watch your daddy. When he was playing the outfield, he would throw a ball down. He was playing. He was so strong, man. His arm was so strong. The ball was like crazy.
He's been on there. Yeah, actually, this is a good one.
He thought he was.
Get. Please stay on. Please stay on. Please stay on.
I didn't see it.
It's to your left. Yeah. All right, it's right up, digging underneath the boat.
Yeah, that's what they gonna do when they get to the boat. Just hold him. There he is.
Can you get the net in the water, and I'll get him to you.
Oh, bring him to me.
All right.
Megan.
All right. There we go.
Almost 4 pounds. Might be 4 pounds. And he swallowed it. I might can get it though.
He's got some melanosis.
Can't get it out, Tyler. You don't have to work on him.
Okay,
You don't weigh him when you got that ready?
I'll get it in a second.
Well, that's a good one.
He had it for a while. That's how he goozled it.
You only go 4 pounds. Right at it. Good job. You can kiss that one. Get back. That's what I was saying earlier about them wacky dudes. They don't turn it loose. Hang on. Hold that pose.
3.53.
3.5. Very good. He sure is long.
Yeah, he's gonna get measured too.
It's a largemouth, ain't he?
Yeah.
He gotta be 19 inches.
They don't get much longer than this without getting huge.
Yeah.
20 on the dot.
Right.
Well, 19 and 7/8.
Get about my back for a minute.
Can you accommodate me?
Yes, sir.
If you can, or maybe I'll zoom it in and then give it back to you.
Get it close me up.
There you go, yeah.
Turn him a little bit. The other way.
Thanks for biting, big girl.
Fish fought like a dog, didn't it?
Yeah. There she goes, off back to the depths. Thank you.
Did just like it was supposed to. Run